In this episode you will see 3 outfits and 3 hair looks that you can wear in different special events, but also you will see fresh fashion presentation from Paris. Hello guys, I'm Alexandru Arambaș, I'm a hairdresser and Balmain hair couture educator, and welcome to Fact Show. Simplicity is the best. Simplicity is the new trend. It gives originality and a lot of personality. We just create for you some transformation. 3 looks that can inspire you for different special events. The first outfit is fresh. The dress has an alive color. The makeup is simple in soft shapes and the hair is elegant but also dynamic. I just create for you a video to see what I'm talking about. So tell me in the comment your opinion about this outfit, and if you like, don't forget to subscribe. If you want to create body, structure, volume and shapes to the hair, the perfect option is to make some highlights. Thin highlights, balayage or different techniques, depends what you want. We just create a special looking outfit to present you the power of elegance in few simple steps. So tell me please at what kind of event you would like to wear this dress. And if you like, don't forget to subscribe. The third option is something special. Why it's special? Because I want to show you how to create a very luxurious hair look only with the Balmain hair couture accessory. Also, how important is to create an harmony between hair, dress and makeup. If you will balance these 3 things, you will be the star of the event. Check this out. Is the simplicity the new trend or not? Well, let me accompany to your opinion, and if you like, of course, don't forget to subscribe. This week I was in Paris for a fashion event, but also for a trend presentations, and I saw the new guideline trends. It sounds like that. The earth is the sky. It means the new trend is very closer to the nature. From all point of view, fresh color. 2020 is a year full of contrasts. It's the opportunity for us to show our original personality. From the fashion event, I just prepared a video for you to see the fashion presentation. Tell me your opinion about this collection. If you like, don't forget to subscribe, share and like, and see you next time with fresh subject. See you in the next episode with some fresh looks ready to wear in 2020.